naka-full jersey yung isa.
Mga bata, pagbigyan po muna natin yung mga mga kasama natin, mga matatanda. Mamaya, kayo naman, ubusin niyo yung oras mamaya, ha? Priority natin yung priority. Uy!
Ay, hindi nagkantok sa atin, oh.
Mauubos eh. Minsan kasi hindi nila mauubos yung oras.
Tangkada, number 18, Evaristo.
Di ba ba ako si Wemby?
Ha? Wala si Wemby. Babae na naman yun.
Number 23.
Wala na.
Bash. 3-pointer.
Okay na.
Okay na?
No good. Elvis, galing sa injury. Uy,
Ano pa kaya kay Jervin?
fade away shot.
Ayun, oh.
Check ball. Nice steal. Elvis, pass to brother. 2-pointer. It's good. 3-2. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. First half. Running time. 2 minutes stop time. Erwin! Ano yun? Turnover? League pass. Drew! Nice 2 points. High flyer.
Boy, Sando!
Ang time yun ah.
Tatalunin sana natin na ito yan, eh. Pampatay lang niya sa out, eh.
Uy! Nice break!
Hindi naman sando.
Wow.
Kasi pare.
Number 23.
Siya talaga na nakakagawa ng record doon, di ba kahanin na sa score nila? Tatalunin sana natin, eh.
Elvis, 1v1. To Jester. To Malsek. Jester. From P. Salvador. Pass to Bash. San Rafael.
5 minutes tayo, sir.
Uy, nice break! Mahusay. Rebound. Defensive rebound. Brother. 3-pointer. Switch.
7 points.
3 points by Brother Jeremy. Jeremy Jester. No good. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Hoy! Nagulat. Kuya, fade away shot. No good. Nice defense by Jester. In and out. Uy! Erwin Alcantara at your service.
4 minutes and 47 seconds.
Complete uniform hanggang sa sapatos. MPs, going hard.
Magpinsan! Magpinsan!
Combination.
Nice communication.
Magpinsan!
Siya tagabigay na sa
Nagkasandok ng kanin, tsaka tira dito.
Mga nirais pala itong mga ito eh.
Huli!
MPs, huli.
Ayun na, magpinsan!
Orogo.
Magpinsan!
Wow! Inagawan.
Magpinsan talaga sila.
Score, 11-7. Bash, nagmamadali. Erwin, bobomba. Elvis, binigyan si Erwin.
Kaya 3 minutes and 42 seconds.
3 minutes, 51 seconds. Tessie. Uy, side step! Uy, sayang. Put back, number 18. Jester. Namuersa. Pass to number 23, Abenander. Ganda naman nun. Body control. Muscle control. Body control.
Bawal yan, bawal.
Bawal, may bata.
Speedy na to eh.
Uy, nice pass! Fade away shot! Too short. Not enough vitamins. Put back number 18. Jester, half time! Wow.
Bash, ayun mo na ba?
Good lang, good. Bash, 3-pointer, corner shot. Too strong. Brother.
Tayo ah.
Jerwin's brother. Layup. Nice
2
shot.
minutes and 41 seconds.
2 minutes and 40 seconds. 17-9. 8-point lead. Erwin! Wow! The fearless Erwin Alcantaras at your service.
Jersey.
Don't talk to me right now.
I'm busy.
Elvis! Change possession.
Ay, stockings.
Nice defense by Team A. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. Stop time tayo. 2 minutes. 17-11. Ay! Ang lakas. Erwin, power rebound.
Ako commentator dyan naman ako.
Brother. Looking for
Hindi namang stockings ang ate.
Kuya Black. Kuya Black, step back. Long two. No good.
El negro, el negro.
Jeremy Erwin, no good. Just do it. Erwin.
I'm the J.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 6-point lead. 6-point lead. Long three. Wow, in and out. Nabate. Nabate ni Maui. Oh. Nice kick.
Karen boy. Yan yung pinakalimutang si Asher.
1 minute and 15 seconds bash. Nice pass to Kuya. Kuya. Reverse. Court screw, no good. Uncle Drew. Uncle Drew. Last 1 minute. 19-11 bash. Naharas ni Elvis. Elvin. 1v1. Back to bash. Looking for Kuya. Pass to number 23. Number 23. ISO. Kick out. 3-pointer. Wow. 3 points. By Kuya.
Ano, Asher?
Kuya Asher. Nice shot. Shooter. Elvis. Floater. No good.
17 seconds tayo sir.
17 seconds tayo first half. Parang napagod na ata. 17.8 seconds. Erwin, huwag ka matakot. Erwin, 3-pointer.
Hindi ka natakot.
Hindi natakot, pero nagdamot. Nice steal, Jeremy, Jester. 5, 4, 3, go. Okay, counted. 5 seconds. Okay, change court tayo, change court na. Score, 19-16, 3-point lead.
Ay, dito sir.
Change court tayo, change court.
Elvis.
So, lamang na dito, na?
Elvis.
Okay. In favor of Team Elvis. Siya nga pala mga kasama, darating na yung jersey natin. After, reversible jersey natin, darating na. Wow!
Pasok!
2-pointer.
Pasok!
Pasok na?
Pasok!
Pasok. 22-16. Jester, namuersa, turn around shot.
Wow!
Wow, power move. Angle through.
Bilis na ito, palos!
Hey!
Grabe ka na, palos! Good, good, good!
Anytime, anywhere.
Ayun naman, pinsan.
Elvis. Sayang. Putback, number 18.
Sa kanya ulit to.
Wow. What's
Running time tayo
the
sa
score?
kanya. Running time.
24-18. In favor of the offensive team. 6.8, 7 minutes and 12 seconds.
8 minutes pa tayo sa pag-senior.
Uy! Magic shot by Elvis Bass. Bumawi. Right there and then. Brother, pass to Elvis. Elvis! Matigas.
8 minutes tayo sa pag-senior. 8 minutes. Pag mga bata, 7.
Ganun din, pero
Wala sa akin.
kasi
Alam ko 10 minutes
takbuhan naman sila eh. Gusto din naman nila takbuhan.
Brother, 3-pointer. In and out. Same ball. 6 minutes, 27 seconds, 26-20. 6-point lead of the offensive team. Brother, when fired. Nice layup. Mahusay. Kapatid ni Jerwin. Number 23, na libre. Wow, 3 points. Nilalabas na nila yung tunay nilang pagkatao. 5 minutes, critical. Fade away shot, Uncle Drew. Run! Elvis! Foul.
Ayun na naman, tuhod niya. Tuhod na naman niya.
Wait. May tawag tayo na, may tawag na. Foul yan, foul.
Tuhod na naman niya. Dali na nakaraan eh.
Tuhod sa team. Saan ka na? Elvis! Saan mo na Elvis?
Tropa ko yan, gago.
Sab muna, sab. Sab muna, sab. Meron na? Uy, Eljan, pasok. Twenty. 28-23, 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes, 38 seconds.
Ulti Jeremy na napasok ah.
5 minutes, 38 seconds. 28-23. Play. Lima lang, lima. Nice shot.
Pero kayo sunod sir.
2-pointer by Jeremy, brother. Steal. Energetic. Uncle Drew. Wow, nice finish. By Kuya.
Asher. Ay si Asher. Ito.
Gray.
Gray Asher.
Asher.
Yan Gian.
Gian.
Gian. Pass to brother. Back to Gian. Gian, 1 foot. Rebound by Alcantara. Good. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Brother. Pass to Black. Good. Ano tawag? Meron.
Foul.
Ay, foul. Tawag tayo, tawag.
Mga bata na sa dyan, sir.
Okay, mga bata naman yung sunod dito ha. So, pinagbigyan na natin yung mga senior lahat. Eljan, floater, Norwood. Bash.
Sakit na yan? Ako na.
Wow! Ang taas naman ang percentage nun. Ano? Yes?
Asher.
Asher. 3-pointer, Asher. New player unlocked. Brother, layup. Nice shot. Scoring machine, Bash. Coast to coast. Roy. Miss layup. Black. Steal.
Nakapit si Pasok.
Gigil na gigil. Jester. Bash Jester. Too short. Not enough vitamins. Uy! Gian. Dribbling skills. Pass to block. Malakas. Bautista. Nanguesa. Out of bounds.
Domain si Forte.
Last 2 minutes and 48 seconds. 34-26. Gian, 3-pointer. No good, 2v1. Jester. Nice defense by brother. Stopping the momentum. Sayang chance ball.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, 36. Long three. Wow, 3-pointer, number 23. 29-34.
Ilan papapalit?
Elvis, laro na. Substitution tayo, substitution. Labas. Labas muna. Same ball tayo, same ball. Returning yung ano. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. 5-point lead of the offensive team. Gitna, Gia, Eljan, Puwersa, foul.
Pero pa rin siya kahit ano.
Okay, brother. 2-pointer. Foul. Yung mga bata naman tayo sa susunod ha. So next game tayo mga bata, mga nalista. Elvis. Bautista. Elvis, 3-pointer. Bayo. Bash. Rebound. Bash, dribbling the ball. Number 22. Pass to Erwin. Shoot ball. Too strong. Bash, 3-pointer. It's good. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 2-point lead. Elvis. Bash. Chance to take the lead or to tie the game. Chance to take the lead. Too strong. Alcantara. 3v1.
Natin mo!
Tumira. Ay. Sayang. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Behind the back pass. Brother, step back. Wow, 2 points. 36-32. Apat. Sayang. Jester. 58 seconds. Jester.
55 seconds, sir.
55 seconds. Jester to Bash. Bash, 3-pointer. It's good, 3 points by Bash. 1 point lead, 36-35. Brother, 40 seconds. Black, pressure defense. Brother, back to black, 3-pointer. 14, clutch 3 points. 39-35. Wow, hang time. 19 seconds. 4. Dadagdagan. Foul. Time remaining 14 seconds. Muntik na, pero hindi kinaya. 13. Jester. 3v1. 8, 7, 6, 5. 3 points. 3, 2, 1. 39-38.
Talong.
Wala na. 39-38.
Sayang, gago.